Hey, do you want to know what type of a personality you have? Do you have a sheep personality, or do you have a rabbit personality, or do you have a turtle personality? So if you want to know that your types of personality, watch this video to the end and I'm going to explain you what kind of a person you are. You can find yourself. I'm Andishman from the Pursuit of Business. Thank you for the watching this video. And there is three types of person. Of course, at the end we can say there is four types of person. So what is the first types of person? The first type of person, people like sheep personality. Like 99% of the people are like sheep. They do whatever others do. They act what other act. They think how the other thinks. If the others start to a new business, they start new business. If the others start to go to university or they go to some courses, they go to university or some courses, and they do what the majority of people do, and they are kind of lazy, and they are taking a new idea like slowly, or they're taking when like hundred or thousand of people did, and then they start. And then there is the second type of people, which is a little better than the sheep personality. Is a rabbit personality. They are people who are like starting idea or starting a business, something. They are jumping a little quick, and then they are waiting for a long time, and then again they are going, and this is kind of moving and standing and waiting and moving. So it is a little bit better than the sheep personality, but not but not the one that we wanted. And then there is the tape, third of the tape, and the three. I mean, the third type of personality, it is a turtle personality. They are always going. They are always learning. They are always consistently. They are taking new idea. Consistently, they are moving. Consistently, they are pushing themselves to learn new things, to grow, to go on their business. Consistently they are in learning process and in going forward, but very slow, that it is kind of hard to see or to realize how much they have gone, how much they are moving, or how much even they themselves couldn't understand it. But this is the third type of personality. And overall, these three types of personality, we have the fourth type of personality, which is very, very perfect and great type of personality to be. It is a kind of personality it have from all three of them. They have some part from the being a sheep. They have some part of personality is a rabbit. Some part of his personality is a turtle, which means they are also taking following other people, like their mind is open to new idea, like the sheep types of personality. And they are also going fast, and which is like the rabbit personality. And then they are also getting this inheriting the turtle personality, which is they are always going fast and continuously. So this is the most like most better, or the most better version of a personality to be. So if you want to be success in life, if you want to achieve anything in life, you have to have like from all three of these types of personality, you have to have in your personality. If you don't have it, if you find it yourself in any other three types of personality, you have to learn, you have to change your personality, you have to change your habit, you have to be adaptive to be a successful person. Those people who created biggest company, those people who created the most success, or the most successful people in any field, those are people who have from this three types of personality, which created the four types of personality. So if you want yourself to be successful, you have to be the four types of personality, because that is the most important personality to have. So always try to learn new things, to always you have to check it consciously, that are you moving forward or not. You have to check consciously, are you taking the new idea or not. If you have to have this kind of assessment, like, because some people, when they plan and they go and they lost their way and they go another way, and then like years pass by, and then again they come back, but that's not good. If you are from this four types of personality, you always checking, you always knowing like where you are. So be aware of this, my friend, and keep learning and be adaptive and adapt yourself in a new idea, new thoughts, like a sheep personality. So always go fast. And thank you for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate you. If you like it, give the thumbs up and subscribe to the Pursuit of Business. And in here, we are pursuing business, we are pursuing money, we are pursuing life, we are pursuing happiness and prosperity. So be happy, be rich, be prosperous. Until the next video, have fun, my friend.